Hi, it's Tina and Tim today, and we're going to talk a little bit about different terms. So, Tina, could you tell us what is the difference between an initial appearance and a pretrial conference?
Okay, after the initial appearance, whether or not you have an attorney or not, you're going to come back to the pretrial conference. The pretrial conference is when the judge and everyone involved attempt to narrow the issues. So if there's a way the court can assist in coming up with a resolution, that's what is tried at the pretrial conference. It's not the time to argue positions. It's time to really think about how we can resolve this matter and let these parents go on and live their lives. So depending on what the issue exactly is, maybe it's an issue that can't be resolved at the pretrial conference, like you can't narrow it down and you know what, you really have to have a trial so that the court makes that ultimate decision. Well, that's what you're going to try to figure out at the pretrial conference. Judges and judicial hearing officers and everybody who's in the position to hear and determine your matter would like the parents to come up with a resolution that resolves their issue without having going to trial. Because remember, if you have to go to trial, sometimes things come up that are not so pretty that, you know what, you just made a permanent record of them. And when your kids get older, they'll be able to read those transcripts and find out maybe just how rotten mommy and daddy truly were to each other and perhaps to even them. So keep that in mind when you're going through the court process. Right, Tim?
Correct.